Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I am going to show you what I did with the Medusa's makeup that I got in that last subscription box, and I'm not really impressed. So I did dig out my other Medusa's makeup products. I did get 4 boxes in the past, so I do have 4 eyeshadows here, and so I used the purple. This is the one I got in my most recent, so that's what I was trying to base my look around. And then I'm wearing the lipstick, this Sugar Daddy lipstick. And I have on the Witch Lash mascara, which I like the wand in here. It's really easy to get into the little areas with my hooded eyes. Yeah, not impressed at all. So I did use 3 of the 4 that I had prior, and I will show you what these look like. And I will say too, getting the Medusa's makeup boxes in the past with these particular shadows, I felt like getting these were just like I was being sent the leftovers, because these are the colors that I got. So that was, 3 months. 3 months worth of shadows, and the 2 on the ends kind of look similar. And then I'll show you the one I didn't use, and I didn't use this one because it's kind of red, like a shimmery red. So I didn't use that one at all. But this cool tone beige one, I tried to use that as like, my transition. And then I used the purple that I just got on my lids, and I did kind of just use these to try and deepen stuff up. I used the lighter one on the outer corners of the bottom lids. They were not very pigmented. The purple, it doesn't look like what it does in the pan on my eyelids. Now I did try to use this Duochrome, eye dust Duochrome in Agatha, which is cool, don't get me wrong, but it's more glittery than anything. It's not really like a pigment. So that's not what I thought it would be either. Yeah, I'm just not impressed. I'm not impressed with any of these, so honestly, save your money. Get single eyeshadows from a different indie company. Don't go with Medusa's makeup. The little Witch Lash. This is cool, but it's basic mascara. Mascara doesn't work very well on me anyways because I have hooded eyes. If I really want my eyelashes seen, I need to wear falsies. This lipstick is okay. It's not terrible. It could be better. I do remember getting some really craptacular lipsticks. Like, they had a very beautiful, it was like a lilac shade, but it was so sheer and it looked terrible on my lips. This one's okay. Like, I can wear it. It's okay. This eye dust, yeah, it's super glittery. It's not really. I tried putting that on my lids just to try to save the look, but yeah. Oh well. I'm like I said, not really impressed. Otherwise, I tried to use the Studio Makeup. I know I got this in a subscription box. I just don't remember which one. This, it's really weird. Like, it shears down so much you can barely see anything. Also, I thought like the pump was broken. This is really funny. So all it is a little tip. There's no, usually there's a tube that, goes down into it. Nope. I think it tells you to shake it because you need to shake it to get that stuff into the tip. So that's a little strange. So that was, whatever. I did use my Juvia's Place, the Eye Primer. And then, what else? Oh yeah, so I use my Jaclyn Cosmetics, the Be Rouge for my blush. I know this is really dark. This is meant for the darker skin tones, but I love that blush. So I had to use that. And for my highlight, I actually use, this is from Nomad. I think I got it on clearance, but I use this, whatever this color is. It doesn't actually have a name. Oh wait, no, never mind. I'm wrong. It does. Kofa Nan Moonlight. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I am so sorry if I butchered that. And then I also use my ColourPop Super Shock and Spellbound. I love this one. I'm glad I saw that I had it. So I put that on top. And then I actually got in the mail the other day, I got the, what do they call this? Something hot. But I got all the ColourPop, these little 5 pans. So I use this color on my inner corner, and I should have just used this. I was trying to do like a smoky eyed look, like following a tutorial, and I'm like, okay, all these colors will work for that, but no. But so anyways, be on the lookout for these babies in the coming days, because I will use those. Those are beautiful, but yeah, again, these are down for me. Sorry, Medusa's Makeup. Make better products. I mean, sorry, I don't, yeah. Charge less. That's all I can say. So I'm probably going to already contact them and say cancel my subscription. At least I can say I tried it again. No more. No more, no more. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know I got a lot of new subscribers based off of my Ipsy Glam Bag X videos. So hey, if you're watching this, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I'm a crazy ass and I upload every single day because this is my only creative outlet. Because I have no Rocky Horror to perform it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye.